think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more.
Yo guys, so welcome to another week. Tapos lang namin ang trip namin to Surigao. So pumunta kami ng Surigao, sama ko yung boys. And one night lang kami doon, 2 days. So ang pinuntahan namin is yung Tinoyan Falls, yung Enchanted River, and then yung Britannia Islands. So it was a good trip. Dami naming nagawa. Sobrang dami ring B-rolls, and actually na-vlog ko pa yun dito sa vlog na to. And ngayon naman, back to reality na ulit tayo. So I've been keeping up with the momentum ulit dito sa mga content and sa work na ginagawa ko. Kasi ngayon medyo mas marami na akong work na ginagawa with affiliate marketing, sa brand deals, to keep up sa content dun sa personal brand ko dito sa YouTube. And also, yung sa mga accounts ko. Kasi parang dumami na rin yung account ko ngayon. Isang affiliate account, isang main account, tapos isang business account. But hindi ko muna ginagalaw yung business since gumagawa pa ako ng case studies ngayon, and ini-implement ko muna yung system na meron ako doon sa mga clients ko ngayon, which is yung agency owner friend ko, freelancer friends ko. So, ini-implement ko yung way ko of creating content. So, ako yung content strategist nila as of now. And ako yung gumagawa ng content behind their services. So, makakuha sila ng leads, makakuha sila ng organic na inbound leads, warm leads. Tapos, they can build their personal brand. So, they can charge higher, or once na mas mag-scale na sila into an agency, makakuha pa rin sila ng clients kasi yun, mas okay na lead acquisition kapag meron kang personal brand. And mahirap naman yun kapag gumagamit ka lang ng gumagamit ng ads. So, this week, ang gagawin ko lang is to focus ulit dun sa work na ginagawa ko. Since I'm keeping up with affiliate marketing, need ko talaga mag-post to keep up so that I can scale that. Since malapit na rin yung bare months. So, I think mas lalaki rin yung income ko this bare months sa affiliate marketing and brand deals, kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-peak ng mga brands ngayon. And kailangan ko din sumabay doon so that makasabay ako doon sa trend. And then yung pag-make ng organic content so that I can give value, then funnel them to CCL, which is yung creator learning platform na meron kami, BNJC. So, yun yung kailangan kong gawa ng content ngayon. Then yung organic content ko rin sa affiliate marketing. Since doon sa affiliate marketing, yung organic content ko, fina-funnel ko naman sila doon naman sa mga affiliate products ko. So that kung kunyari, nagbabenta ako ng products when it comes to running, when it comes to skincare, when it comes to fitness, gumagawa naman ako ng mga organic content based naman doon, so that yung mga tao na magpo-follow sa akin, madadirect sila doon sa product na binibenta ko. So, that's how my funnel works when it comes to affiliate marketing. Then, ngayon, nag-upskill na ako into helping clients with their content. So, ngayon, I'm the content strategist for the clients that I have. So, mga freelancers sila, agency owners. Then, I also plan to make that into an agency this year. Poproceed muna ako sa day ko kasi marami pa tayong gagawin today. Pupunta pa tayo sa Place de Sushi kasi may consultation kami ngayon. And ginagawa namin yung YouTube video niya. So, yun lang. Yo guys, so nakarating lang namin dito sa office nila Sushi, nila Jerome, but wala pa sila. So, kami muna ni Ome. And hintayin lang namin sila. So, gagawin lang muna namin yung work namin bago sila dumating. No? Pwede rin email. CRM. Hindi ka nagbigay ng ano niyan, ng social proof dito. Pero nag-viral pa rin siya kasi bot money. Yun yung ano, parang video games,
Ah,
into na one agency owner.
okay.
Tapos iba-ibang format na ano. So yun yung parang main goal ng ano, ng August.
Kasi
Guys, ngayon nakumulan si Pedro. Pedro po sa kumain. Hindi, mawalan ngayon. Kailangan mo ng protection. Extra protection. Hindi, tapos kumain yun.
ready ka na, bay?
Para mag-start tayo with weekly YouTube.
Hindi ako dun.
Weekly YouTube.
Gusto ko din yung weekly YouTube eh.
Ah, bukas kapag nakuha ko naman yung mga need ko. Hey guys, what's up? It's the next day. Ngayon, tapos ko lang mag-work. Nagising ako around 7 a.m. kaso hindi na ako nakapag-film. Pero, tapos ko na yung content calendar ng isa sa mga client ko. Then, nasend ko na yung SOP na need niya gawin. Then, ngayon, naayos ko na lang din yung mga need ko ayusin. Tapos, right after this 1K, mag-gym namin. So, after mag-gym, lunch, tapos work na ulit. So, yeah, yun lang yung plans ko today. Skincare na ako. One of the main struggle lately sa akin, sa ano, when it comes to documenting, kasi I've been planning na to document everything. And etong camera ko ngayon, parang 2024, binili ko na siya. Pero hindi talaga ako nagiging consistent sa ano, sa pag-film. Because ang main struggle ko nun, inisip ko, sobrang repetitive ng mga araw ko na hindi siya interesting panoorin. But, ano siya, like, wrong way of thinking siya. Kasi every single day, iba't iba naman yung, I mean, same yung mga bagay na nangyayari. Pero, iba't iba yung mga bagay na, iba't ibang knowledge yung ginagamit ko throughout the day. Iba-iba yung mga bagay na, mga problems na ginago through ko. So, iba-iba din yung ways ko of solving that. And parang yun yung naging fix na gagawin ko ngayon. Kaya, we'll try to document weekly na and see. May isang bagay lang ako na isosolve. Isang problem lang. Tapos yun yung ido-document ko throughout the week. Kahit same repetitive task yung gagawin ko. Like, ayun, ang ginagawa ko lang naman sa routine ko ngayon, to work, go to the gym, and nag-aaral lang kami ng parang ganap every Sunday. Yun, as I was saying, iba-iba yung problems na pwede mong masolve every day. So, marami kang pwede ma-document. Ayun yung i-implement ko ngayon. So, ginagawa ko siya. Weekly na documentation na. Kasi, iba-iba naman yung problems na makaka-encounter mo weekly. So, yun yung ginagawa ko in this series. So, weekly long form. Para maging consistent na ako. Yun, so mag-gym namin. So today, ang magiging training namin is upper body. Kasi lately, binagawa na yung workout split ko para mas pasok siya sa schedule ko. And at the same time, makapag-training ako dun sa marathon na pinagpe-prep-pan namin. So, ako tatakbo ako ng marathon this August 15. So it's kaka-August lang. I mean, mag-August pa lang. It's July 30 as of the time. And I have 15 or 16 days na lang to train for that. Tapos yung PR ko is 25 kilometers. 25 kilometers pa lang yung pinakamalayo ko natakbo. So this week, this Saturday, hindi pwedeng hindi ako makapag long run. I'll try na mag-go up ng mga 30 kilometers plus. So, yun yung magiging agenda ko this week din. So, Thursday ngayon, Friday tomorrow. Tatakbo lang din ako ng easy run. Tapos by Saturday, mag-long run ako ng 30 plus kilometers. So, ngayon, ganun na yung naging training ko. Then, today, mag-upper body lang ako since gusto kong ma-retain pa rin yung gains na na-build ko. And syempre, mag-build ng muscle. Muscle pa rin tayo. So, yun lang yung ganap. Then may call din pala ako ng 1 consultation. This 1 PM. Kaya need kong makauwi ng maaga. Makapagluto ng maaga. Kasi may call ako. Then, we'll try to close it. So, currently, yun yung ginagawa ko. Scaling service providers, agency owners by building their personal brands. And ako yung gumagawa ng content system nila. So, yun yung current clients ko at the moment. So, yun. Punta na kami sa gym. See you at the gym. Tutuloy ko na yung pagkain ko. Kasi hindi ko natuloy kanina kasi may meeting ako. Pero hindi ko na close si RJ but still grateful na nabigay ko yung value na need niya. Pinoint out ko lang yung mga pwede niyang ma-improve pa. But yun, parang siguro ano lang din yun sa akin na kailangan ko pa magbigay pa ng value doon sa mga content na pinupost ko. Para at least kapag sales call na, mas less friction na. Tapos, sabi ko naman yung mga need ko sabihin. And after nito, mag-record lang ako ng mga videos din to post. And then, may mga script pa ako para doon naman sa ibang clients. So, yeah.
Mamaya na lang siya. Ano yung, yung schedule? Kaya mahirap siyang ipasok. Yung paggawa ng content, pag-script, pag-edit.
Guys, it's 8:25 PM and I'm about to sleep. And maaga na talaga ako natutulog ngayon since maaga na rin akong gumigising. I wake up around 5 AM or 6 AM. Since today, mas feel ko na mas marami akong nagagawa when I wake up really early. And ngayon, this day was really, I think, very grateful for the productivity that I had today. I tried to give value dun sa isang naging prospect ko, but it was not a close. So right now, I'm going to explain to you kung ano yung binibuild ko. So I'm building a consulting agency scaling service providers, coaches, and the agency owners by building their personal brand and placing the right content system for them in order to get the dream followers that they have and the ICP that's ready para bilhin yung mga services nila. So, yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. And like, I'm doing everything sa clients ko. Like, as of now, yung clients ko, yung friends ko, but I'm really grateful that they trusted me and we had agreements. So, they pay me and I made the system for them so that I can build or I can help them build their personal brand. So, parang ako muna yung nag-handle ng everything ngayon since wala akong team pa. I only have editors dun sa mismong personal brand ko. Wala pa akong like ako lahat yung editing lang yung pinaka ina-outsource ko. But yeah, I think this is the reality talaga of building something na it would just take a really lot of effort for you to bring this thing na binibuild mo na magkaroon siya ng momentum before it actually goes like rolling. Kasi yun nga, I'm building case studies, I'm building testimonials. And even though I have done it for myself, I should have do it for other people, like real clients. And ginagawa ko yung work ngayon. And nasanay kasi ako before na like enough na yung testimonial na meron ako since I have built my following to over 200k followers across all social media platforms. And I think that gave me a lot of ego. But ngayon, it changes everything kasi ang kailangan ko talaga is i-showcase kung ano yung mga bagay na natutunan ko in building a personal brand. And ngayon, yun yung ginagawa ko to the clients na meron ako ngayon. And I'm really doing everything to give them the best result that they have so that sila yung maging parang pioneer clients na meron ako dito sa agency ko na to. I'm really grateful, I'm really happy for the progress. And tomorrow will be a new day. And yeah, really excited pa rin on what tomorrow will bring. So, really grateful for God, for Jesus, for giving me all these blessings in my life. Even though like this month is somewhat slow month, a low month. Like this, unlike other people, for me, July is kind of slow and low. And I'm really happy. I would keep clapping for the wins of other people, every people in my life. Kasi I know God will soon give me the time na para sa akin naman. So, yun lang. I'm really happy for today. I'm really happy for the progress that I made today. And tomorrow naman, ang gagawin ko is pupuntahan ko sila Clyde, si Fritz. Tapos, like, hands-on kong ituturo sa kanila kung paano talaga siya magawa. The videos, yung need namin gawin to record those things, maayos yung content calendar nila and such, so that we can make the ball rolling dito sa personal brand nila. And yeah, really happy din that I got to document everything in this. Kasi I've been procrastinating documentation since 2024 pa. And ngayon, really grateful that I got to do it. I got to document these things. And ngayon ako nakapag-build ng confidence to do it. So, yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Tapos kamote yung isa. Ano lang, spontaneous meeting lang kasi may, di ba nasabi ko sa inyo before na Dito na sila. Bay.
Huwag mo mukha sa akin yung tuhod ko, boy. Ano pa rin?
Boy, nandapin na kayo.
Lolo. Sabay ka dito.
Boy, sa'yo na boy.
Okay,
30 kilometers. And it's currently 4 a.m. 4 a.m. ngayon. And tatakbo kami ng 30 kilometers dito sa Davao. Kasi prep kami ngayon for the marathon. Ako, 42 kilometers. Sila 21. So, malapit na, 2 weeks na lang. So, need na namin ng maayos na training. Para ready kami dun sa race. So, yeah. Bye.
Yun lang.
Guys, so it's currently 21 kilometers pa lang. And nag-stop by muna kami dito sa CR para magbasa kasi grabe yung init. May tan lines na ako. Ayun. Nagagay, boy. Tan line ko. Tan line ko.
Lagyan mo yung tubig sa'yo.
Tatapusin namin yung 30k and pabalik ng dun sa bahay namin is 30k na yun. So 9 kilometers to go. Kaya pa naman, medyo masakit lang sa paa but kailangan lang ng para hindi mag-overheat.
Yun lang.
Hindi ko kami. Ano hindi yan mag-okay?
Hey.
$30K lang. 30K lang. What's up guys? So pupunta kami ng church before pupunta kami ng sine para manood ng Spider-Man. So showing ngayon ng Spider-Man and rest day din namin. So diretso kami doon after ng church. So unahin muna namin yung church syempre since mas importante yun. Then next is pupunta namin doon sa sine. So magkakasama kami with the boys. So around 8 kami. Sabay-sabay kami manonood ng Brand New Day. So guys, so papunta na kami sa church. Then later pupunta na kami sa sine para matawin yung Brand New Day na Spider-Man. Sama namin sila Sushi. Tapos rest day namin ngayon, kaya free kami sa time. Tomorrow is Monday, so another week na naman. But yeah, weekender, Spider-Man Brand New Day. Guys, the bread is ready. So ready na kami for Brand New Day. Ay, Miguel! Sorry! Si Miguel! Sorry! Miguel! Hoy! Punta namin sa cinema guys. And nakabili namin ng food. Daming tao. The Peter Parker effect.
Oh, lahat ng sine mo, Spider-Man.
The Peter Parker effect. Sobrang daming tao. Lang, pipila kami. Sobrang haba ng pila. Napila na kami guys, sobrang haba ng pila dito sa Spider-Man Brand New Day. Pakita mo yung pila. Pakita mo yung pila.
Spoiler ako. Nasa NCR lang kami guys.
Lahat ng cinema, Spider-Man yung pinapalabas nila. Tapos sold out lahat ng ticket. Grabe. The Peter Parker effect.
Record niyan. Kamusta experience? Solid.
Absolute cinema.
We're waiting for the ano.
Hintay pa namin yung ano.
Ano hinintay?
Hintay pa namin yung end credits.
End credits.
Tingnan natin kung ano yung next.
Knowing Marvel guys, di ba?
We
May
know
lagging end credits. We know ball.
Ball.
We know the ball. True Marvel fan
Kahit
will
5
end for
minutes pa
credits.
Kahit 5
Boy,
minutes pa yan.
paano ba pag isang oras?
Okay lang yan. Basta
Patience is virtue.
yan yung binayaran natin dito. Sulitin talaga yun. Natin sulitin.
Absolute cinema.
Absolute.
Boy, ibang universe. Telemachus last week.
Kaya nga eh.
Nag-isip Punisher pati Spider-Man.